Welcome to our comprehensive guide on unlocking business success through data science. In this video, we will show you how to use data to improve your business. So let's dive right in. Data science is the practice of analyzing and interpreting large sets of data to uncover valuable insights. By harnessing the power of data, businesses can make more informed decisions and find patterns that can lead to growth and success. First, it's important to have a clear business objective. What problem are you trying to solve? By defining your goals, you can focus your data analysis efforts on the areas that will have the most impact on your bottom line. Next, you'll need to gather and prepare your data. This includes collecting relevant information from your systems, databases, or external sources. Remember, the quality and completeness of your data will greatly influence the accuracy of your analysis. Once your data is ready, it's time to analyze it. Data science techniques such as statistical analysis, machine learning, and predictive modeling can help uncover hidden patterns and trends. These insights can be used to make data-driven decisions and optimize your business processes. But it doesn't stop there. Data science also allows you to predict future outcomes. By using historical data and advanced algorithms, you can forecast customer behavior, market trends, and even potential risks. This view prediction enables you to stay one step ahead of your competition. Remember, data science is an iterative process. Continuously assess your results, refine your models, and adapt your business strategies accordingly. By embracing data science, you can unlock untapped opportunities and drive business growth. Thank you for watching our comprehensive guide on unlocking business success through data science. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips. See you next time.